all of the bad plants, or the foreign plants, and now we're putting in the good plants, the native plants.
And to eat bagels.
And to eat bagels.
Really appreciate your support. I know it's a really hot day, and everybody wants to be doing something else on a Sunday, but we're doing good things here. We're really excited about finishing this section. We spent the last 2 times pulling up all the St. Augustine grass, and now we're ready to plant the natives. And we're going to let Sam right here talk a little bit about exactly what we're going to do.
Well, thanks everybody for coming out today. Like Shane said, it's great to come out on a Sunday to do a pretty cool thing. So this is going to be the 3rd work day we've been out here. So what we originally did was remove St. Augustine grass. A lot of you guys know St. Augustine grows in your lawn. So when it grows in natural areas, as we're considering this a natural area, it actually starts to outcompete some of the natives that exist here. So someone like myself that works in natural areas, natural area management, ecology, things like that, the way you look at a healthy ecosystem is the diversity of the plants that are in there. So if you have one species that's kind of overtaking all the other species, not really considered healthy, that basically reduces the wildlife that occurs. What's really cool is what's going on is that since we started removing the St. Augustine grass, the native plants actually started to come back on their own. There's a federally endangered plant that I work with, Jacomania reclinata, is a beach cluster vine. We're going to be planting some of it here today. This is the only place in the world that it exists. Basically from Miami-Dade County up to Palm Beach, there's about 600 or 700 left in the world. So that's in the world. That's the only ones that are left. So my job has been actually to go back out and replant it. And since then, we probably added about 900 back into the wild. That's in Miami Beach. It's in Palm Beach. System, nice and coordinated.
For the
just make the face like
gotta go in if you're going in.
Do it.
No half in. No half in.